Hey, good morning everyone. In this video I'm going to go through step by step installing Windows 10. So hopefully get it done soon. So I'm going to go step by step installing Windows 10, and I hope you learn and have fun with. Let's see what's gonna happen. So I'll just create a new. So I click on a machine, create a new, or click here new to install a window. So new, I will name this window 10, and right here you need to select the file. You should have installed already Windows 10 ISO file, so you need to open this and click here next, skip the unintended installation and click next. And for the CPU, I'll just increase the CPU size, and memory I'll give it up to here for the best performance. I'll also increase the disk a little bit, click next, and here next finish. So since I'm using the bridge adapter for the server and also this Windows, and for this one I need to also select the bridge adapter. So you need to click here in the machine and then on setting, and then here network. So you need to select here bridge adapter because I want to get IP address from my home network Wi-Fi. I want to practice this on a real world environment, something like real world. I want to dive into the world, so therefore I want to use the bridge adapter and allow all. So click, hit OK, and then double click or start there to start the machine and installation. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Sorry. So I'm trying my best to create this video as short as possible within 15 minutes range. If I have more time, like, I'll also edit the computer name and I'll finish it up. I'll pause the recording when there are some waiting time, especially installing setup. It takes some time, so I want to pause the recording there a couple times. So in here I just leave everything on default, click next, and then click here install now. Setup is starting. And click here I don't have a product key. And we need to install Windows 10 Pro because we want to join this to our domain, so we need to install Windows 10 Pro. Just make sure, click next, and you need to accept the license here and hit next. And we need to click on this one, install Windows Only Advanced, and click here next. So for this one, since it's gonna take some time, I'm gonna pause the recording up to here. Once I reach to the finish up, I'll unpause it, so I'll get back to you because it's gonna take some time. So rather than to wait, let's pause the recording here. So I just reached up to here installing updates, and then it will be finishing up. Hopefully that's get done soon. Let's wait for a few minutes. Here you go. So this is gonna be restored the Windows. Starting services. Come on, why it takes so long? Let me pause the recording here as well, and then I'll get back after it's done the process. So I got done with that, and let's keep restarting. Let's see, I hope I'm gonna see the next steps. So again, start loading. Sometimes it takes a lot of time, but you need to just wait for a while. So here I just got to the screen, and to click the region United States. We need to do the basic stuff here, which it will ask a couple questions. And here we need to keyboard US. And for the light, I'll just click skip. So for this, it is the network setup. It's gonna take like a few minutes, like 3 to 4 minutes. Let me pause the recording here while it's keep going, and I'll unpause it after this is done. So I'll see you back soon. So we are done almost with the process. We need to just move on. So for this one, I'm gonna use the personal use because I just need a challenge. I already did the setup for an organization. It is pretty much straightforward and it is almost the same steps. But I know for the Active Directory we can use organization since we are joining to the domain and we get a full control over this device. But I just need to practice and see if I can join also the personal use or not. So let me click the personal use and then hit next. And here you need to click offline account. Limited experience. And here I need to choose the name. I'll name it IT guy. Then hit next. And you need to choose the password. Next. Again, you need to confirm it what you typed before. And then here you need to answer the security question. I'll just write random name since I know the password. So the second question, and then I'll again write the random name and the third question. You need to be careful with these answering these questions because once you forget the password, you need to answer these questions in order to reset the password. So since for the practice purpose, I just answer it whatever randomly because I know the password. But remember, you need to choose the right answer for each question that no one knows. So I'll just click accept. And then again accept. Here I will check mark everything just in case having everything on my Windows. Accept. Then here again accept. And I get into Windows. It says hi, so we need to just wait for a short time to get into the Windows, and then I will change the Windows name and I'll restart the computer and I will get to go with this video. Let me pause the recording shortly here while it's keep opening. So let's see. Leave everything to us. So let's wait for a short time. So here we go. We just get into the Windows. So before let's wait for this everything loads up. So we need to just go to the setting real quick. Remove this. So we need to go to setting. I want to rename this PC because I'm joining to the domain, so I will see. After I join to the domain, I will see the system and my domain controller under the computer's name. So let me name this PC twat. Let me name this. So if you see, this is the PC name. You need to remove it. I will name it cyber, and you need to click hit OK. But once you put the new name, you need to restart Windows. OK, close and restart it. Let me pause the recording here again, and then I'll check if the name affected or not. So let me log in and check if the name has been changed or not. Come on, takes long. So here you go. Let me check the name. You can check it, go to the same place, or click on the command prompt cmd. If you want to run it administrator or whatever, I just want to show the name, if the name is there or not. It's up to you if you want to open it as administrator. So ipconfig /o. You see if the name has been changed. So now the host name is cyber. So that's all for today. And for the next time, I'll do the IP configuration, IPv4, IPv6, and also I will join this Windows with the domain controller, and we'll move on with the other steps, and we'll see this cyber in our domain controller under the computer name. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed and had a fun, and have a great day. Thank you so much. Take care.